Hi guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Gear. This is where tech meet hustle. Have you been looking for a way to make extra income while at home, during your vacation or during holidays? This is the right place for you because I'm going to share with you a little secret I've been using to make extra income while at home, during vacation or during my holidays. Now you have nothing to worry about the platform because I don't share any platform that is not legitimate or real on my channel, because every platform that I share or I do video about it, I first of all test it before I share it to my audience. And also, if you are worrying about how to withdraw the funds, it's very easy to draw your funds because you can draw it through mobile money, you can draw it through your bank account, or even buy credit straight from the platform. Most of the platform out there, when you get the funds, it's very difficult to draw the money because sometimes they ask for PayPal account or Payoneer account, which is not in any of most of the African countries. So you have nothing to worry about your withdrawal. Now, before we continue, if you are new on the platform, don't forget to subscribe, like our video, and share, and also leave a comment in the comment section so that we'll get to know your experience with the platform as well. Also, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified as soon as possible, because you wouldn't want to miss any good chance to get cool income into your bank account or your wallet. Now you open your browser and search for AfriSide. That's the name of the platform, afriside.com. You search for it on your browser, and you can click on the link below that says join now, or you can click on the three dotted lines at the top here and click on sign up for an account. If you don't have an account, you can click on join now, and then what, enter your credentials and create an account. You can also join them with what, your Google account as well. And if you have an account with them already, all you need to do is just log in into your account. So I have an account, I've been using it for several years. I just need to log in into my account. So let me log in and show you how it works. So I'll enter my information here and then click on what, login. Now I've logged into my account. You can see the balance I have here. That is $1. I currently have $1 in my account. So that is it. It's very real and it's a legitimate platform I've been using for several years. You can see here we have what we call general information, profiling, surveys, reward, payout, and security. So there are so many menus you can use. So these are the available surveys that you can perform to get rewarded, and it's very real. You can withdraw it as a real money into your bank account or even your mobile money wallet. So you can see the first survey is what, $1.5 53 cents. We have what we call $2 70 cents. We also have $1 35 cents as well. So you can see when you convert it to Ghana cedis, the first one is 22 cedis, 22 pesos. We have the second one being 30 minutes. That's the time limit, which is 41 cedis, 82 pesos. We also have 15 minutes survey, which is also equal to what, 19 cedis, 58 pesos as well. So you can click on any of these surveys and then start taking your taxes, and you get rewarded after you are done with the survey. Now let me show you how you can withdraw your money, and let me show you, I've made some withdrawal some time ago, and I'll show you everything here. So let's see the rewards. You click on rewards to see how these are pending approval that I have to reflect on my account. So I've performed these surveys. The first one is what, 36 cents, the second one is 36, and the third one is what, $2 25 cents. So all these have been approved, and they will be what, sent into my balance, so it could to reflect on my account some few days or some time to come. So that is it. So now let me show you how you can get your payout. So let me click on the payout link here. So now you can see we have several ways to get your money into your account. You can see we have bank account here. So when you want to withdraw to your bank account, you need what, to have a minimum of what, $5 or more in your balance before you can withdraw into your bank account. So you can check the responsibilities here to get every information you want to add. So this is the things, or you can get you can see you have not yet reached the minimum amount of our $5. So if you reach the minimum, you can be able to withdraw through the bank account. So you can see you can enter the amount you want to withdraw in US dollars, and then convert it to your Ghana cedis with the calculator here. We have a US to Ghana cedis calculator, and also you can see the amount in Ghana cedis here as well. So if you are going to withdraw any amount, you can enter here and calculate the amount to get to see how much you'll be sent into your bank account. Here you can also what, add your bank account details here as well by clicking the link here. You can add your information here. Now let me show you something else. After you are done with that, you can click on what, request payout, and the money will be sent into your bank account. Now let's go back to the other options where you can make your payout. We also have what? Mobile top up. This is where you can convert your balance and be able to use it to buy credit straight into your phone or your SIM card. So you can see, before you can buy any credit, you have to, or you need to have a minimum of what? $3, that's $3 or more in your balance before you can be able to do what? Use it to buy credit to your SIM card. Also, we have a mobile money option where you can withdraw the money to your mobile money account, which most Ghanaians also prefer to use. So but they are doing some update on this option. I have used it before, but currently they are making some update or changes on this option. That's why you can see they have what? Unavailable at the moment. So it will be done very soon. Everything will be able to work perfectly like before. Now you can see below here, these are the payment I have done, the request payment I have done before. I have received some payments some time ago, and this is it. I made what? $4 withdrawal to my mobile money top up. You can see it here. Approve and should be what? Reflect on your balance. So that is it. That's how you can make what? Withdraw or payout into your bank account or your mobile money or your any account that you want to send the money to. Now you can also have we call security here. Also have a security here. That's where you can be able to secure your platform to prevent fraud or any unauthorized person to access your account. So that is it. You can enter or make changes to your email address, password. You can link your account here as well. You can also delete your account as well. So that is it. Now let's go and take some survey and perform to see how it works. So I'm going to take you through the shortest survey there, and we see how you can be able to perform the task and make some cool money out of it. So the first one is 17 minutes, the second one is 30 minutes, and the last one is what? 15 minutes. So let's take the shortest one, survey. So we'll click on that one, start survey, and then they will open the questions for us to perform and get paid. So it's as simple as you can ever imagine. This is the easiest way I've ever made money from, and I'm sure that you can also make it when you give it a try. So these are the questions they are going to take you through. You can see for now you have a 0%. When you perform the question, you'll be able to what? Get to 100% and get paid. Now you see, let's read through. Are you happy to what? Proceed. You can click on yes and then click on the proceed arrow here. You can see the percentage is increasing. It will get full and then get to 100%, and that means you are done with the survey. So they are asking you, where in Ghana do you live? So you can choose the place you live currently in Ghana. You can select Greater Accra and click on what? Next. Now, do you or any of your close friends or relatives currently work in any of what the following industries? We have health, advertising, market research, marketing, retail, banking and finance. We have journalism, TV or radio media. We have public relations, we have hospitality, none of the above. So I am going to select what we call healthcare and then click on next. Now, are you a male or a female, or prefer not to say anything? So you can select the gender you belong. So I am a male, so I just select male. Now they said, how old are you? You can enter your age here as well. Let's say 25. And then, which of the following best describe your ethic or racial what background or heritage? That's ethnic, sorry. So you can say what? White, we have black, we have mixed, we have Arab, and so on. So an African, so I'm a black person. I'll choose African and then select the proceed option. Do you have a personal bank account? Click yes and then continue. Which of the following best describe how often you visit a branch for banking purpose? At least once a week, at least a few times a week, at least once a week, at least a few times a month, at least once a month, less than once a month. So I can just say at least once a month, and we are good to go. Now we would like to ask you some questions about your thought on the African banking and what finance service sector. So let's proceed. Thinking generally about the African banking or financial service sector, what to what extent are you worried about each of the following? We have financial fraud, we have very worried, we have fairly worried, not worried. So I am very worried about that. Now the next question is hidden banking charges. What concern do you have about that? Very worried as well. Limited availability of what branches, ATM close to me. Very worried. We have high inflation rate. I'm also very worried. We have high or unpredictable bank fees. I'm also very worried. We have cyber security threat and data breaches. Very worried as well. Mobile banking safety. Very worried. Difficulty accessing loans or credit. I'm fairly worried. Now all done. So the next questions start thinking about the following. Please indicate how much you trust them to do what is right. We have banks in Ghana. Do you really trust these banks in Ghana? One says what, do not trust them at all. One, two, how often do you trust them? Nine says what, trust them a great deal, don't know or not sure. So I will give it to five. Now Nigerian banks, how do you trust them? I will say um let's do it this way. Now European banks, I will select option 2. We have what? African banks in general. I will select option 4. Now South African banks, I will select option 4. Your local bank branch, I will select option 4. Then click on next. To what extent do you agree or disagree that banks in your country dash are good at what they do? I strongly disagree. That's 1, 2. Up to what 7 says what I strongly agree. So I would select 5. Keep their promises. I'll select 3. Are a good fit with who you are as a person. I will select 2. They hard no try hard to have a positive impact on society. 4. We have how honest are they? Let's use 3. Then continue. To what extent do you agree or disagree that the Nigerian banks are good at what they do? 3. We have what here? 3, 3, 2. Let's say 2. Next. To what extent do you agree or disagree that European banks do are good at what they do? 2, 3, 3, 3, 3. It's about to what extent do you agree or disagree that African banks in general are good at what they do? Let's say 4, 4, 4, 4, and then 5. To what extent do you agree or disagree that South African banks are good at what they do? 3, 3, 4, 3, 4. To what extent do you agree or disagree that your local bank branch are good at what they do? We have 3, no 4, 3, 4, 5, 5. So that is it. When you are done with the survey, your money will be reflected into your account or your account balance, and then you can withdraw it when you reach what the maximum amount or the minimum amount for withdrawal. So that is it. So this is simple how you can make cool money sitting at home, your workplace, or during your leisure time, any place at all you find yourself. You want to make extra income without stressing at all. It's very real. If you find the video helpful, make sure to subscribe, like our video, and share to those who are in need of this video. Don't forget to also leave a comment in the comment section to get to know your experience on this platform. Also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you'll be notified as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I'm hoping to see you in my next video. Love you.